Good evening. I am Ronnie. So we are going to take this very fast. Please, we are going to study trend lines today. So this is a beginner's guide. So the platform we are going to use is TradingView. Let's click directly on TradingView. So as the site opens, you as the learner, since you cannot analyze trades on your MT4, you need to use TradingView. You need to create an account. When you are through, you come here and click chart. So when you click your chart, as it loads, you also need to check on what to do. Okay, this was a trend line I was like drawing before we kicked off with everything. So let me take it this way. This is our trend line. For you to draw a trend line, you need to come and click somewhere here. You click and you find your trend lines. You select your trend line. This is it. If you draw it at support level, this is it going down. If meaning that I can still decide to draw another trend line which is at the support somewhere here. This is it. You can go down this way as we have a triangle, as we have a channel moving downward. So from here it has been moving down, coming and touching this our line and trying to like move up. So this is it. This the market. So actually it was going down and it break the resistance here and the market started rising. After some time now it has to take back to this point, and for us to actually know what is happening, we can test different time frames by coming and clicking here. Then we move to 15 minutes time frame to check on how the market is moving. You see it is very wide somewhere here. So these are the little basics on resistance and support. So let me draw another trend line at 15 minutes here. Let's consider that the market left this area and was like moving down. This is our market. This is the support. This is the resistance. Then I draw another trend line for the support. Let me take support somewhere here. So this is my support. Note that the market is trending downward. So this is where we should be trading. So from here at support we are supposed to be buying, and look at the number of, this is where I start buying, and this is where it starts, somewhere around 1.2285. so I start buying here. When you reach my support somewhere here, I start selling. I sell down, it sell, and it was trying to touch my support line. This is where I should think of selling to. Look at how it went down right to 1.2257, and there I had to sell. This is the market moving, and it means that if it breaks this line, if a candlestick closes above this line, I am going to continue buying, because this is actually what the market is trying to do. So that's the 15 minutes time frame. Let me look for another currency pair. Let's say USD Japanese yen. I just have to come and click here. Then when it opens, I think of what to do. So now let me take another trend line. Let's say the market is ranging. It doesn't have that. It's consolidating. Let me take it this way. So this is how the market is moving. If it sold and reached somewhere and bounce back, I'm expecting the market to come back and touch this direction no matter what. So once it touches this direction, I'm buying. I may decide that each time it touches this direction, this is my support, I buy. With forex, you don't need to be like in a hurry or whatsoever. So when trading like this, you should always make sure you spot out your resistance and support levels. So that's what we are doing right now. Let me show you a scenario somewhere here around 15 minutes. So if for example I'm drawing my trend lines, I come and pick a particular point here and I draw it upward like this, and I draw it like this, I know my market is buying and touching back my support line, buying and touching back my support line. So finally here it bought then and was selling, and it went below this support line. The market had to sell for a very long time, so it sold for quite a long time, and finally right now it has reach the support. So once the trend line is broken from below, you're supposed to be selling.